What is going on, guys? It's Elias here, back again with my second video ever. I'm back on Lake Wissota. It's a Sunday, August 16th, and it's probably like the busiest day ever on Wissota. So I'm gonna be hoping to get somewhere out of the wind, plus out of all the traffic. I'm not sure where to go yet. I'm gonna look at the map and think about it, but yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully today I'll get a muskie. I have a live scope and I'm gonna be jigging for walleye and crappie somewhere also, so maybe I can get 3 species today. You never know. So I'm starting out with a booker tail 700, I think, with a little Mr. Twister deal on the back, big grub. And I'm just gonna be working the slow edge here. I'm around some fallen trees and this nice big edge that goes out from pretty much 0 to 12 feet. I don't know if you can see that right there, but I'm just gonna be trying to follow the contour and hope for the best. Oh, I had one on. Oh. So unfortunately, another bad day on Wissota. There was a lot of traffic, a lot of wind the whole day, and I really couldn't find myself a spot to fish for a long time. I went to the small lake, I went to the river channel, I went far up towards Jim Falls, and I went all over the lake and didn't have any luck. I jigged for walleyes with my live scope. I tried casting for crappies with a tube jig, and I finished the day fishing for musky. So unfortunately, no fish, but there's always next time, and I definitely had a lot of fun today. So if you've watched this long, I appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Bye.